Is this thing working? Am I here? Is it working? It looks like it's working. Yes, it's working. Alright, what's that? Oh, that's what that is. I have a plan for today. Let's create the plan. Today's plan. Let's try that up for you guys to see. Vertical, no. Alignment, top left. Oh, okay. So that's large. Can I decrease the size of that? No, it doesn't look like it. Hold on. Why would it let me decrease the size of the text? What about this one? Plan. Well, this one let me decrease the size. Yes, it will, but it's in chat log mode. What? OBS, are you serious right now? Let's try it like this. Alright, today's plan. Can we decrease the size of that? Let's read from file. Let's browse. Let's go to the folder where I've got the bot. Working on current bots, Decobot. Right click, new text document. Today's plan. Let's select that. Okay. Today's plan. There we go, it's showing up. Alright, so today I need to fix welcome issues. I need to, oh, it's very large. Okay, so there we go. Welcome issues. I need to update version update command. Alright, because we have a specific command that allows Raz or somebody else to update the information that displays when you do slash version. Why is my hair acting up? What the hell? Oh my god. I literally washed it yesterday. So we're updating the version update command to use Discord's model system instead of just the slash command as it was, because it's not really user intuitive. Why is my hair messing up? Alright, there was something else I had to do. Hold on, do I have a list? I did not make a list. I should have made a list. That's right. Fix message deletion logs. So for some reason, specific messages aren't being logged properly. It looks like it's deleting system messages. So when someone joins, it sends a message. It sends a message to a specific channel as defined by Discord, or in the Discord settings. So it's sending a message to there, and then I think the bot might be deleting it. Because I haven't worked on this bot in a while, so anyway. So fix message deletion logs. What else do we have to do? I think we just need to do just general improvements. General improvements. And then if all above is done, I think I was going to work a little bit on LMB if all of that is done. Oh, I did not fix that channel. Never mind. If all above is done, work on LMB update. So I have an hour to get this list done. It's a small list, but it counts. It's a list. If all the above is done, we'll work on the LMB update. We will fix LMB issues, add issues, work on message customization system. So that will be sort of easy. I think I'll be setting that up to be a model instead of just a slash command like I've been doing in the past. But anyway, that's the list. That's the list of stuff to do today. Let me make that slightly smaller. I actually have no clue how big that is on your screens. Anyway, let's go into the code window. Oh, shite. OBS. That's not okay. Let's move that to the bottom right of the screen. There we go. So it shouldn't be blocking any information that you guys want. So that's the list. That's what we got. That's what we're gonna do. I think I can actually alter that so it right aligns. Oh, there we go. Alignment. Right. There we go. That looks better. I can just change that on here. Just the bottom right. There we go. There we go. We've got our plan. Now let's work. So what are we going to do first? We're going to fix the welcome issues. Events. No, that would be in logging. Guild member add. So what is happening here? I can't see an issue with this code. Hold on. What's the idea of the welcome channel? Which one of these is correct? I don't know. That one is. I do. I do it like that because then I can just copy paste code. Because that's using. So if you look, if I show you the LMB code for message updates, for member joins, where's that? LMB events, no, logging, guild member, no, it's guild member add. That's right. Because if you look at that code, it uses an SQL database. And the way I've set it up is so that it uses welcome ID as the variable. So then I've got it set up in custom bots so that it's not okay that makes sense. It had to be a small error. That's just how I work. Every time something breaks dramatically and just doesn't work, it's always a small error that I just haven't noticed because I'm blind. Anyway, so that's fixed. Hey Blue, you get to see me work. Not that it's that interesting, but we got some like chill music. I think it's chill. Anyway, so we fixed the welcome issues. Oh, the fact that was such an easy issue. Hold on. Let's look for... Stream's bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. We recommend that you use the stream bitrate of 4,500 kilobits per second. No. What am I looking for? That's what I'm looking for. Looking for a Unicode checkmark because I want to just add a checkmark to that. Let's use. That one looks nice. It's not emoji like, so it's not just gonna look weird. Actually, I think it'll look better on the right side, because that's all. There we go. I don't know. I don't like it. So we're going to update the version update command. So the version update command at the moment is in an unfinished state because I was working on the model last night, I think. So Discord models can only have up to, I think it's 5 action rows. So that means you can only have 5 input things. So that means we can only have 5 text inputs, which means, so let's go to a channel that I can show. So it means, for example, with the / user settings command, it'll show, the model will show with 2, right? So the model looks like this. It can only have 5 of these. No more than 5, which it's annoying and it's limiting, but it sort of makes sense, if that makes sense. I don't know, I feel like if we had more than 5, it would just use up a lot of room. So I need to decrease this so that if Raz needs to, she can still update the links. At the moment that can't happen with the current version of it. I just need to comment that out because that won't be used. That'll need to be hidden while that's working so I don't have any errors in the console. I think that finishes about there. Yeah, I could just scroll up and then uncomment this. I just comment out what I'm working on so that I know it's there. So this will show Decobot.js. I think only me and Raz and I think a few other people have access to this command. So anyway, so / version update. I just put in random information. There we go. That what are you doing, Bob? Please don't tell me I accidentally just updated the database. Version 1.12 Decocraft. Okay, no, that won't work because that's not set up. Alright, where is that coming up? Unknown interaction. Alright, so it's responding to the interaction. That means the public version of the bot is, or the online version of the bot is interacting instead. That means I don't want to turn it off. What I might do is, hold on. Nope. I don't want that there. There we go. Privacy filter. Just because I'm about to look at some private information, that being the let me create that as a group. Name is already in use. Come on, let me rename you. Where's the rename? There it is. See text. Then we create a new group. I should have made this beforehand, but I'm lazy. Filter. That and that. Put that in there. Bring that underneath the webcam and the desktop audio. Alright. There we go. And I might bring that up too. I mean, that doesn't really matter, but still. I didn't know I had that. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly... Who's that message from? Oh. Alright, let's quickly go to this... developers, applications. Gotta get the token for my test bot. Damn it, it requires two-factor authentication. Because I haven't used this bot in a while, so I don't actually have the token at the moment. So I need to generate a new one. Submit. It is very risky doing this on stream. I don't want to accidentally have the file open and then just give you losers access to my bot. Alright, there we go. I think I should be able to... I just gotta remember, where is that bot? What servers is that bot in? Not that one. In that one? It's in the Lucky's Dev Discord. I'm just gonna make a new channel in there. Because you guys aren't supposed to see what's in here. Test stuff. Hide literally every single channel. Got to delete all of these. I haven't cleaned up in here for a little bit. Right, hide that again. Okay, I reopened the code. Decobot.js. Actually, will that? Okay, it checks my member ID. That's good. I'm dumb. Node. Deploy commands.js. Gotta do that first because that's important. I'm silly, I'm stupid, I'm dumb. Completely forgot it relies on the client ID of the bot. Because that is how / commands work. They need your bot's client ID and the token. If the token is to authorize it, the client ID is so it can deploy to the right thing. There we go. JS. I can turn off the privacy filter. Hold on, does that have confidential information? No, it does not. Alright, so / version update. Craft a. So this is what the model looks like right now. So you would say what version you want to update. Say Deco Craft. You would put in the new mods version. So 1.0.0. The Minecraft version. The Forge version. What is the latest update of Forge? Shit! Oh, that's not good. That is not that. Oh, that was stupid. That was very, very stupid. Oh, fuck. Applications. I need to regenerate that token because I accidentally just showed that on stream. That was incredibly stupid. Oh, thank God I noticed that. Oh, thank God I noticed that. Oh, Jesus Christ, that could have been terrible. That was terrible. That should never have happened. At least I reset it as quickly as I did, because if I didn't do that, someone could have gotten access to the bot. And that bot's in a few private Discords, so showing access to that would not be good. Anyway. Alright, so you go, what Forge version does the bot use? Minecraft Forge. I don't actually know what the latest version of 1.16.5 Forge is, even though I'm literally using it to update a mod. The recommended version is 1.16.5 -36.2.34. and then you know what ptrlib version the update uses, and you put in the version, say blah blah blah, and you click submit, and then it goes. It won't work at the moment, and for some reason, no matter what I do, it'll always say that. But you know, but yeah, that's what it looks like at the moment. I could theoretically, well, not theoretically, I could literally take out the mod version and include that in just the slash command, like I've got about here. So slash version update and then mod name. It says the mod's name, the mod names. And I could have Minecraft version in there too, because then that doesn't need to be done in here, and I can still freely have links available there. That's a good idea. Let me get rid of that. That means I can deploy this soon, actually. Rid of all of that. Rid of all of that. Save that. Because we also don't need this code anymore. We don't need access to the database on this anymore. And stuff like that. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that. I think the only issue here will be getting it to show up. First and third. I don't know if I go to, I don't know if it'll show. What I could do, because this command wouldn't get executed by anyone other than Raz or myself. I don't imagine, at least. I forgot to deploy that. JS. No deploy commands.js. I'm so tired. Slash version update mod name. I don't know why that's showing up. Yeah, no. I have to quickly refresh Discord. Give that a second. So in order for this to deploy, version update mod name Decocraft 1.16.4, enter mod version 1, Forge version 1, ptlib 1, and then say we go forge.com and then modrinth.com, and then that would deploy to the SQL database. The only issue I have with this is that I need to figure out whether I want to use, whether it would be ideal to use subcommands or continue doing it with strings. Because with, say, subcommands, I have a limit to the amount I can use, and strings, I don't know how I would send that to this. I don't know how I would be able to replicate the, because the interaction gets fought with it. So the interaction is this. This is the interaction being responded to, meaning that information is only in this. So what I could theoretically do is change the custom ID and change the title so that it changes based on the mod. So as an example, in the database, Decocraft for 1.12 is listed as Decocraft 112, what I could theoretically do is have it so that the custom ID is based on the mod name in the Minecraft version. So instead of mod update, hold on, I need to quickly get the string. It would be mod name. Let's just bring that down there. Minecraft version. I'll need to change the names of that. Mod new MC ver. So that would become mod new plus MC ver, because they're already strings. So in that case, then the custom ID would become mod name plus Minecraft version. And the little version number that I've got. So instead of just what am I trying to say? So instead of just having it so that it uses a predefined ID, where, you know, potentially I could forget to get that information, I can set it up so that I have that information already available. Which makes things so much easier, actually, now that I think about it. Because then I directly have that information, and I can get rid of mod name and a Minecraft version, because I already have that information. You don't need to enter it in anymore. And I think the only issue with that is that in the interaction create command, because when you submit a model, it creates a new interaction. Like here, for example, I then need to get the interaction, the ID for the interaction in order to respond to it, depending on how I've got it set up. So at the moment, the only interaction here is the user settings interaction. So in order to have multiple in here at once, I'd have to set it so that this code only happens after that specific interaction ID, which I don't actually know what it is. It is very simple other settings. That's not descriptive at all. It's an ID, so it should be slightly descriptive. So in order to respond to that, let me open js.org. My favorite website, my most favorite website for when dealing with Discord bots, because, you know, it has all the information that I need. So if I go to, I think this is using Discord builders, I'm assuming. So if I go to, I'm trying to remember how it works. It's not create component builder. Actually, what I'll go back to Discord.js client.on interaction create. So that would open it up as an interaction. Interaction dot, I think it's just ID. I think. It's not that. It's not that. Where is models? Is that on latest? It's on main. That should be on latest. 13.8.0. Client. Interaction create, not interaction. Model submit. Get a model submit interaction. There we go. We can get the custom ID from that. Okay. So if we go to interaction create. Interaction.custom settings, and do that. I could set that up as a switch statement. I think it would be easier if it's a switch statement. Give me just a sec. Yeah, because it's going to be a bit of information here. Switch, interact, custom ID, case. That would be user settings. Could be this bit of code. Let's fix the formatting. Break, case, craft 112, code, and break. I'll be right back. I've got to use the bathroom. I do not have a BRB screen. Alright, so I'll just temporarily turn off the microphone and stuff. That makes things easier. Where's the camera? There we go. There we go. Emmett Neil Big. Alright. So for this to anyway. So the way this works is the way the ID will be formatted is it'll be based on these specific values, and it'll be these specific values. So Decocraft 1.12.2 would be Decocraft 112. Camera Obscura for 1.16 would be C Obscura 116. So what I have to do is translate that into this switch statement, which is easy enough. I can work on that. So case Decocraft 116. Break case Decocraft 118. Break. There's probably a cleaner and easier way to do this, but I think I like doing it. I do it this way because I know because this is how I've done it this way before, so it's easier. Case C Obscura 112. Alright. Case C Obscura 116. Alright. Case C Obscura 118. break, and I think that's the wrong command. PTR. Okay, it's just lowercase. Nice. 112. Break. 116. Break. 118. Break. I cannot confirm that any of these mods will be updated to any of these versions. This is literally just me future-proofing this bot so that it works. No matter whatever version Raz decides to update mods to. If I open the folder for this bot, then go to the database, bot.sqlite. Okay, it's unrecommended. So you can see, this sort of information. This is, the modrinth link, the curse link, the bot name, the version of ptrlib that the bot uses, the Forge version, the Minecraft version, and the mod version. I don't think I need to have underscore 1.12.2 there anymore. This is up to date. This is as up to date as you can get it. I literally worked on this yesterday. To include modrinth, because it previously did not have modrinth in here at all. It was just, instead of curse link, it just said link, because that's all the mods were on at that time. So I'm future-proofing this. I am making sure it's ready for any future updates. So what I want to do here is get the old. Actually, I gotta first get the input values. So that's sort of like this for each one, but I have to. Oh, that's not good that it's doing that. That should be able to work. Because it's a switch statement, so this should not be impacting this, unless I've done something wrong, which is highly possible. Anyway, so we go mod version, Forge version. Oh, this is just so I don't have to type out code every 5 seconds. ptrlib version. Course link, because why the hell not? And modrinth link. I think the only issue with these is that they'll be impacted by the actual SQL arguments. So for this, we would be getting, we would be interacting with the database. So that would mean getting some code from this command, which previously would interact with the database. So we just need get recommended and set recommended. Don't need any of that there. I could literally just not have this whole thing be a switch statement and just, it will still be a switch statement. I could just have if interaction.customID equals user settings, and then else, and then have just that, but change mod get to interaction.customID, which would work, which I could do, because that saves me a lot of code. If interaction.customID user settings and do this. And L. No, I don't need that whole switch statement. That's just way too much code. Way too much unneeded code, that is. What I could do is... can I check if it has a specific thing? So models of interaction. Doesn't look like it. Oh my god. I'm gonna just... Ooh, food. And do not disturb. I need to quickly check something. Now live on your channel. Yes, I knew that. I was looking for that one. Okay. I just need to wait for them to reply. Okay. I should have looked at that earlier. Doesn't matter. Gotta... It's weird that it still has these along the side. Because if I've already checked that it's a model submit interaction, I'm not going to want to check if it's a message component, because it would not be a message component at that point. So I think that's just mostly useless or there for reference. Because you can't have a model submit interaction with a context menu or with a message component, because it doesn't work like that. And you definitely can't have a message context menu. That's actually really cool. I want to learn how to do context menus, because like if you right click on a user, there's a new, it's not on here, but there's a new thing called where it says apps, and you can see different functions that each app can do. I believe there's just a context menu interaction. Oh no, it's a user context menu. And then there's ones for messages too. So if, say, I typed a message, I can interact with that message using an app, which is amazing. And it's weird that they've... It's not weird that they've done that, it makes sense. They were going to be doing it anyway. My Discord has to update. But anyway. Alright, so what I want to do here is I want to check if it has one of these. If it has mod version, then continue. So if mod version, then do. If it doesn't, else return. Because if it's just a random model interaction, I don't want it to be responding to this code, because that would not be good. Now I want to move that. That should be in here, So you're not supposed to be accessing the database until you get to here. And we go to version. So how did I... If no version, then create it. Otherwise... If the mod currently doesn't exist within this context, make it exist within this context. I need to change these. Nude ver. I don't know why I use such weird names for things. Fridge ver. Perver. Curlunk. Modrolunk. I don't know. It makes it easy to distinguish what I'm looking for. Modver. Perver. I actually don't need any the if statement here actually, because it'll create it if it doesn't exist anyway. Because this is insert or replace into recommended instead of just replace. The Minecraft version. I can fix that up in a sec. Curse link. Oh. Curse link. Mod link. What? Oh, hold on, no, hold on. No, hold on. There should be interaction or custom ID. Where's version show up in the... Where's the mod version show up? That's the second. Why is that showing up there? What? That's not supposed to happen. Why is this all sorted wrong? It's actually... Oh, it's meant to be... mod version, Minecraft version, Forge version, ptlib, name, curse link, and then modrinth link. Why is it sorting so weirdly? Why did I write it like this? What is wrong with me? Aside from literally everything. I don't like sorting things wrong. So if I sort it the right way, if I sort it the way it's listed in the actual database, that makes it easier for me to know what I'm doing. Because I am very dyslexic. And I really don't want to be stuffing shit up when I'm working. Minecraft. Forge. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Right, so to get the Minecraft version, we can fix it up now. So we can do something similar to this. See what I mean? We can do something similar to this. Let's cut that. Hold on. Do all of that. cut all of that. Paste all that into here. But we change it, right? Receiver. We don't need the Minecraft version text or the mod name text. Because this is going to be instead getting the interaction.custom ID. And it'll be translating that into specific variables. That should say 18. I don't know why it says 17. I need to fix that in my code. I think she was gonna skip 1.17 like most people. So So here a switch statement would have worked. Let's do a switch statement. Switch. Hold on. I don't do switch statements enough, so I've got to remember how to do them every time. Switch interaction custom ID. Minimize that, just so I've got the chat open again. Okay. Is okay. Hold on, 2. Like that. And it's set up as a var because then it can be changed further on in the code. Which is super cool. Oh, that's weird. No. The last one. Means we can remove all of that. We can set that to become MC Ver and keep that as mod spell. So that should work. Okay, let's try it. Let's test it. Let's make sure it works. Love this part because I get to test to make sure it works. Load Decobot.js. Wait for that to load. Go to Discord. Version update. Decocraft 1.12. 1. What forge version is use? 1. 1. Forge.com. Renderings.com. Submit. And if I go to, I don't know. Look, if it. Look, literally, it's here. It updated. That used to have useful information. But now it doesn't. So I don't know why it keeps doing that. I don't know why it always breaks. Because every time I do it, right? Version update. No. Version update. Decocraft 1.16. We set to example numbers. Modrins.com. We click submit. It'll come up with something went wrong. We refresh the database and look, there. It's there. So I don't know why it's... I don't know why it's doing that. I'm just gonna quickly get the code. The information back and fix all that up. Very quickly. And that in a new tab. Actually, we can test it again. Slash version update Decocraft 1.12. The new version 2.6.3.7 underscore 1.2 Forge version. What is the I think it's the same for everything. The Forge version, that is. So I think it's the current recommended. PTLib version is the most up-to-date version of PTLib. Then we get the mod versions link. I'll go to modrinth.com. Modrinth is down. It's about right. That's not what I meant to do. Hold on. Because that must be old. I think that's it. that is it. Let me click submit. Wait for it to tell me it broke. Then refresh, and it worked. So I don't know why why that happens. That's so annoying. I think Modrinth is down again. Oh, I think they're updating their web page, their website. It looks like they're updating the website. Put the final. Yeah, it looks like they might be updating the website. I'm actually going to join their Discord. I don't know why I'm not already in the Modrinth Discord. But anyway, I've got to figure out why that's Discord. That's not normal. That's not supposed to happen, I don't think. Anyway, yeah, it looks like they're updating Modrinth anyway, so doesn't really matter. I'm gonna get a lot of notifications now because they've got that. I haven't been able to mute this over yet. Alright. So that is the version update command done. How long have we been streaming for? Over an hour. Ugh. Alright, now we're gonna fix the message deletion logs. Which isn't too hard. I don't think there is an issue with it. I think what's happening is that it's trying to get the content from a message that's being sent that also isn't being sent. Actually, I think I have to privacy filter this. I don't know if I can actually show you guys this. Let's see. Use prescription. Why haven't I just got that wrapped in it? Okay. Yeah, so occasionally it will delete the message, the system message. What I'm gonna do, you guys can't see it because I'm fixing stuff. I don't know why that's in there. Oh my god, this code is messy. I need to wrap all of that in a thing. Every single last bit. Every single bit of this code. You guys still can't see it because you're not allowed. Okay, that's cleaner. It's a log channel. I do. So this is being sent to the wrong thing. It is. It's... Oh no, it's not. What channel is that one? Is that general? No, what? Hold on. It is general. What? General is the same ID as the server? Why? Far and ID and ID equals. Instead of sending that straight to the channel, I'm going to send it to boost ID, just so I don't have to constantly, because I shouldn't be doing that. Example, I haven't done that. Alright. Yeah, this code is very old. This code is super old. I don't even have the current version of the... Like, look at this. This doesn't even have the current version of the message send stuff, because they've changed it. And so now, instead of the way it now sends like this, because it's cleaner. So let's fix that up. Embeds. Embed. Change all that to just say embed. There we go. That slightly better, because the message send function has been changed. We don't want to send a broken message now, do we? So now that should be properly sending. Does that need any updates? No. I need any updates? That needs an update. I did that on purpose. I worked this out on purpose because I'm rude. This wasn't asked for, but it was just something I wanted to make, because people always ask if they can ask a question. Because why not? Can I ask you a question, friend? Why do you do this? You just did. There we go. I'm constantly updating this, adding more snarky comments to it. But anyway, I think that would have fixed the issue I thought we were having with the message deletion logs. Because I thought we were having an issue with it. I thought that it was broken, but I didn't realize that it was actually deleting the message deletion, the system messages. I thought it was just, glitching out. I thought either somebody else was deleting something and it wasn't caching properly, or it was just misfiring. But that does not look to be the case. I mean, if it ends up being the case, I'll fix it, obviously. But if not, oh, that's cool. W3 Schools has more stuff on it. Has new stuff. Anyway, so I think all we had to do was general improvements next, and I think we've done a lot of that while working on other stuff. So what I could do is work on L&B, but I think I'll save that for when I start working on stuff later, because I am hungry and I have not had breakfast. So I'm going to mark today. Today is a success. Today's a success. I did what I set out to do, and that's great. So I hope I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.